Hello, thanks for joining us for the tutorial 1 of SmartMaker Basic Functions. In this video, we'll talk about the basic features and control in SmartMaker authoring solution. As you can see, SmartMaker solution is based in graphic user interface, meaning you can create an application easily and intuitively with simple clicks and without coding. When you design and add functions to your application, the solution automatically analyzes and processes the required programming tasks such as generating databases. Let's start with the menus. First, we will need a blank screen to create the application on. Select New from File in the top menu. Choose Blank Form and click OK to create a blank screen. You can start creating your application by adding design and functions to the screen. The most fundamental component for creating an application are atoms. SmartMaker's atom is a building block of application. Like assembling Lego blocks, you can build your application with atoms. Atom is a universal component for creating an application. It is much more than a simple design element and contains the core functions that control the program. As you can see, atoms are categorized and listed on the left side of the authoring solution. Let's take a look at the atoms in the Design Tool category. Design tool atoms like line, diagonal, rectangle, oval, picture, tab view, and table are useful for designing and formatting app screens. Next set of atoms belong to data input tools. These atoms are used for entering and displaying data in the program. For example, you can enter and display text or numeric data with data input, select dates with date picker, add image taken from camera or phone's gallery with image input, enter speech data with speech processing, as well as manage data with join pop-up, combo box, radio button, and checkbox. Detailed features and properties for atoms will be introduced on the later tutorials. Now, let's look at scroll setup tools. If you need to join atoms together for displaying and managing relevant data, you can use Join Scroll to join atoms together and identify each scroll by using the row number atom. Next are data search atoms. Apps generally contain more screens for displaying data than screens for entering data. So, developers need to create more screens for displaying the search data. With search condition and search table atoms, you can create screens for searching and displaying the search results. Data search atoms also include tree for showing hierarchical data, grid for entering and displaying data in Excel-like format, and chart for showing data analyzed in various styles. Next, let's take a look at event setup tools. With event buttons, you can add frequently used functions such as search, save, QR code scan, camera, and dial by selecting from a list of event type. And with menu atoms, you can use menus to connect different screens together and construct the complete application. GPS atoms can support navigation and provide location information with GPS coordinates or address. With payment gateway atoms, you can easily add payment functions such as online or credit card billing to your app. Next atoms belong to office management tools. Office management atoms include Doc Manager for adding and referencing documents in various formats, Schedule Manager for managing schedule and meetings, Progress Bar for displaying work progress, Message for sending SMS and email, and Attachment for attaching files to the application. Next are the atoms belonging to Insert Object tools. With Insert Doc atom, document files like Word and Excel can be viewed directly from the application. Insert Web Page can display web page of entered URL. Media file can be played directly from app with Media atom, and Map atom shows the location on the map matching the given latitude and longitude coordinates. You can also generate advertising revenue by using the Advertisement atom in your application. Finally, let's check out Smart Language tools. Speech recognition provides the functions to recognize voice and convert it into words or sentences. With translation and speech synthesis, you can create highly sophisticated app by providing real-time translation and interpretation in various languages as well as a function to convert text into voice. Piece by piece, you can easily build your app with the atoms, and let SmartMaker's AI authoring engine to automatically handle related tasks to making the app. Please join us for the next tutorial to continue learning no-code app creation with SmartMaker. Thanks for watching.